Good morning everyone, it's the 15th of July 2025 and I will take you up from this distance. Puddleland 2. Bit choppy out there today, apparently it's on the change. But look at that, can't see out to Dover. Anyhow, let's go down and see the sea. Let's see what the sea sees. A lot of S's there, S today, isn't it? Hope you're all keeping well anyway. Let's go down with that traffic in the background. Charge of the light brigade, isn't it? Yeah, we've got herring gulls down there, so let's go down to the end of it. Tide coming in by the looks of it. Look. Right, let's go and film a bit down there. Let's get some footage on the herring gulls. It's a bit slippery along here, so I'm going to hold on a minute. Since that thunderstorm, it's ruined my flip-flops. I've got to go and pick up a pair today. You're flying off. So I don't exactly feel comfortable in these at the moment, and they're hurting me with blisters. It's cool, isn't it? Look, let's go that way. All the herring gulls coming in. You can come up. Yeah, Dover in the distance. Misty today. The tide's coming in, isn't it? Morning. Right, let's get to the end of a minute. Still warm though, it's beautiful though. Look at that. To the end. Smell the salt air.